Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody asked me via email how they can italicize just one letter of the name, like the first letter. Two ways. If it is a font that you can italicize, you can just take it and grab your text tool and just highlight that letter and then go up there and do that. Then you can highlight that letter and do that. Whoop. Now, the problem is this font is Arial and you can do this too. But there's a lot of fonts that are not. I picked a really bad one, but it's not. You can't italicize it. Only thing you can do right here is underline it. So if we want to do that one letter, and if you have a bunch and you want them all the same, you could go, well, what we're going to do, we're going to pick this Bill Smith, and we're going to Control K to break it apart, and then we're going to Control K again, so we just have the B. Now you can very easily double click on it, and you get your skew, and you could skew it. But you don't really know how far you're going. So if you want them all to be the same, let's just go ahead and break all these apart. Control K, Control K, Control K, Control K. Now, if we open up the Docker's transform or transformation, depending on what version you have, so go to Windows Docker's transform, pick right here the skew, and I'm going to pick this letter. Well, that was already picked. I'm going to nudge it. I'm going to skew it a -6. I'm going to grab this one, -6, -6. So all the letters, and that doesn't look very good, but all your letters could be done. If you wanted, let's try every other letter and see what it looks like. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key, just playing. Whoop. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't break this apart. Control K. So 1, holding down the Shift key. 2, 3, 4, 5. And you could skew every other letter. And they're all the same. You can't just take a letter, double click on it and skew it. There's no measurement, there's no angle, but this way you've got it. And if you did, I'm going to Control K and break them all apart. If you just grab this whole thing, you can't italicize it. But right here you can, and you could go more than what would normally be. So let's go a -10. And the reason that is because if you go a positive, it's going to go backwards. Pretty helpful. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.